are watching our video for the first time, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell button to enable it. Like, comment and share. Hello everyone, welcome back to Afza's world. Today we are going to show you how to make a simple photo frame for any occasion. So this photo frame I'm going to give to my brother on his birthday. So let's start. So for this I have taken a cardboard. This cardboard came with a headphone. Then you will need glue, Pista shells, acrylic paint, paint brushes, a photo of your who you want to give this frame to, water. So let's start. First, I'm going to give the cardboard a base coat of black. Keep it aside for 1 minute to dry. So after a few minutes it dried out. Now let's mark the photo. We will outline the photo. So now we finish outlining the photo. So now let's stick the pista shells. Let it cool and dry for some time. Now we will stick the picture. First, take some glue and take the picture and apply some glue on the back. So now let's paint the frame. So first I'm going to take a black color and apply it. And so I finished my first coat with black. Now I'm going to do a second coat with silver. I'm doing a rough coat to get an antique look. So now this is finished. Now I'm just going to give a border for the picture. For this I'm going to take white color and I'm going to So now our picture frame is ready, and try this in home and let us know through the comments. Please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.